Welcome to the 50-minute tech talk. We're going to talk about this past week in tech, and the only rule is that we have 50 minutes to do so. No ifs, no but. Hold on, I'm getting a notification on my iPad. Oh, bro, the new GTA 6 leak
No more
just happened.
GTA
The new
6 leaks.
6
More
leak just
GTA
came
6
out.
leaks.
Yeah, bro. Hold on. The
Oh,
new GTA 6 leak.
flash that on the screen. What he just showed me, the real GTA 6.
The real.
Move over,
GTA.
kids. It's time for Dad to play. Anyway,
So yes, I mean we've all been distracted by that. So we only
Yeah.
have 15 minutes now.
we're doing this at the end of the day for once because we've been looking at the leaks all day.
Yeah, exactly. So 15 minutes, no ifs, no buts. I'm Daniel, and to help me, we got Jordan.
Hello.
Are you excited for GTA 6?
I'm actually taking 2 days off to play it, guys.
You're contributing to the world economy
Collapse.
decline. Yes, for those 2
sorry.
days.
I don't take a whole lot of days off, but that was in the calendar. And John,
That's been on the books for a long time.
John, our beautiful boss, looked at it and went, "You did not take 2 days off to play GTA." I went, "I did." He went, "I've never seen that before." I was like, "Well, at least I'm being honest. I guarantee someone else has done it too." And you have no idea.
Well, there you go. Just be honest, bros.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into it. We gotta go.
Yeah.
So the first topic is destroying books to train AI.
I saw this.
Yes, so this has popped up over the last few weeks. In an effort to develop their AI models, tech companies are buying many books in bulk and
scanning them,
their
right?
text.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it involves a destructive process where the book's bindings are cut because it allows it to be scanned easier and faster. And just a few days ago, there was an investigation by 404 Media. They worked with a bookstore to place an air tag in a rare book that they suspected was bought by an AI company. Turns out it went to an Amazon facility in Las Vegas, where they indeed destroy and scan books in bulk.
Right. So the good news is we can expect like Twilight and 50 Shades to get off the shelves soon.
Nah, man.
Can you imagine an AI ingesting that? How much slop is it ingesting from books?
I don't know. So
Is
this
there criteria?
This is the thing. They're scanning things before 2020. No, the time is gone. It's fine. You got it. They're scanning books from before 2022 because that's pre-AI.
Well, Twilight's pre-AI.
Yeah. So Twilight,
Twilight's
your
in the data
LLMs
set,
could
guys.
be trained on Twilight. So this is actually an interesting part of this whole thing, which is that 404 Media did not disclose which books were part of the package. And some commenters are pointing out that the books being bought might have been rare, not in terms of like its obscurity, but just in terms of like it's some random book that no one was ever going to pick up ever. So it's rare because of that. And it's like it may have been destroyed anyway or stuff like that.
But how did they know it was going from that library?
So a bunch of bookstores have been like seeing these random like orders of massive bulk books with no negotiation in them, and it's just like like usually you'd have to negotiate on this sort of stuff, but the AI companies are just really happy to just be like.
Cool. And these books, I'm guessing, have no digital counterparts whatsoever?
I'm not sure.
That's weird. Like you'd figure most books have some sort of digital.
You'd think, but it's actually a much bigger issue than you might realize, because there are still a bunch of companies like the Internet Archive who are properly archiving books, doing it properly, trying not to destroy them at the same time.
That's actually a real shame. Did we learn nothing from World War II?
I mean, whatever you think, it is like depressing.
Yeah. And
like I'm just wondering, like, why can't we scan these books properly and then train them?
Yeah, 100%.
Or have them to
but it's going to take too long, Daniel.
Oh yeah, sorry.
It would take too long. It would take too long for someone to take a photo.
Amazon in particular, they're trying to push their frontier AI thing, and that's why they're going for rare books particularly. So they're different from the other companies. So yes, there's a bit of nuance here because we don't know what books they're doing, and they might not actually be destroying rare books, but also it's
Next
just like
stop's Tumblr. All the fanfic and smart writing is going to be trained.
Tumblr.
Yeah, go to Tumblr. Go to
millennial
4chan.
usage of LLMs is about to go.
Yeah,
like
your timer really doesn't like you today.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Anyway.
Oh well, it's fine. So yeah, there's that topic. I mean,
Yeah.
Ripperoni. Next topic. OpenAI is slowing down its AI training.
Really?
Yeah.
So they're not stealing books.
Well, actually, Microsoft and OpenAI are working with like a Harvard library specifically in terms of the book thing. So I don't know, like we don't know how they're treating rare books, but anyways.
Wow.
Have you
Chaotically
really not seen this article about
No.
open? So yesterday, I think yesterday or today, Sam Altman made a tweet, and there was a press release on the OpenAI thing where they're saying they announced that they are slowing down the development of their AI and pausing model testing for 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks, yes. So
Okay.
this is coming off the back of the
hacks.
the Hugging Face
Yeah,
attack, and so
cool.
this is now the 4th week in a row where we're
Something's been hacked or leaked or
we're
whatever.
covering something about this rogue AI attacks.
Yeah.
So Sam Altman said, model progress is now extremely rapid, and we always said we would take action if we felt that model capabilities were outstripping the pace of safety and alignment.
Sure. Okay. I think that's more than fair. I mean, most AI tools nowadays, or even nowadays, most AI tools can do everything you want them to now. I feel like obviously there's always
like
room
LLMs
for
have gotten
improvement.
to a really good point.
Yeah, like you can use them for. You can literally tell it to do whatever you want or do it. But there is oddly enough some days AI is just dumb. Like my Claude,
I have heard now that I've been in the office for a few days, like working alongside you, like you just saying like Claude is dumb today.
Yeah, like I would tell it to do a task that I have a skill made for it, and it doesn't remember how to do it. And it's like, for example, like I'll give it a spreadsheet and I'll tell it to go populate a particular website for me because it's like otherwise I have to go click, copy, paste, click. I just get it to automate it for me.
Sure.
I've done that 5 times. And yesterday I was like, oh, I need to index and check how the site does it. I'm like, you've done this 5 times.
Yeah.
Like it just.
Well, it's like these things
dumb.
are just changing in the background up and down without us
Sure.
knowing it because these are
Correct.
closed models. We don't know how they work.
Yeah, I don't know. It's really, really strange. And even today, my Twitter was full of like Claude Opus 5 is really dumb. I saw one guy that said, his Claude said, oh yeah, Bruce said this. And then the person was like, who's Bruce? He's like, oh, I just made it up. I don't know.
What?
Like that's Claude said, oh, Bruce is a made up person. I was like, why can you
Bruce,
do that?
man. All right, bro. That's for sure.
Yeah.
One part of this is that OpenAI, they're facing increasing competition from other companies. And so an announcement where they are voluntarily slowing down AI development might seem a little brave.
Yeah, that is very brave. I mean, I canceled my ChatGPT subscription 6 months ago now. So
Damn, all right.
I miss him. Actually, I only use ChatGPT now to calculate how much my groceries are going to cost for the week now.
Oh, yeah, right. We've already discussed this.
Yeah.
I will say there's always a great deal of skepticism when it comes to announcements like this because I don't think they're necessarily lying about the reasoning, but a lot of people are like, okay, you're trying to brag about how good your shit is about to be.
Exactly. And then Claude Opus 6.0 comes out next week.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh.
I just mean like if they wanted to, they should counter.
Oh, yes. How much time we got? Okay, we'll talk about this last point. I mean, obviously, AI safety, as we've talked about this for a few weeks now, but it's incredibly important. And I'm probably of the argument that there needs to be some government guardrails of some point, of some substantialness. And I know people immediately see red flags when they hear like government intervention, especially when it comes to really innovative technologies like this, but we know the potential of what can go wrong, and there's probably a nice middle ground to be had.
Absolutely, but I don't know if you can ever cover every point, right? Like it's the same with like we've talked about social media and mobile phones, and I think the mobile phone rule was the wrong call to make, like making social media usage 16 and over.
Oh, well,
I think that was wrong.
It's shown that it sort of hasn't seemed to work.
It hasn't worked, no. Well, I think that's the wrong call to begin with, right? Because a lot of the way that you learn social interactions now is through social media.
Yeah.
Like I think the paradigm of how kids know ethically what to handle in social situations is from how they interact with people on social media. So we should be teaching them how to ethically use their phone.
Yeah, right? I think it's
I think you have to do the same with AI, right? Like I think we should be we shouldn't be allowing it to hack things, right? But I think we need to have guardrails in place, but also not limit people's usage of it, and then teach them why certain things aren't a good use of that technology.
Sure.
In my opinion.
Yeah. I think if you keep going, like peeling back the layers, really, it's just down to education.
Yeah, 100%.
Instead of banning social media, you have to teach how to use it properly because it's not going away.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We've got to teach those kids how to gamble.
Exactly.
Kindergarten gambling lesson. Since we're not going to ban the ads, right? So
yeah, exactly.
May as well get them started early.
Good call.
Good call.
Good call.
Good. Well, We're about 5 minutes left, and I think that's enough time for our next segment, the tech logo redesign tier list.
Oh.
Holy
wow, I caught that. Okay.
Congratulations. So, Instagram just redesigned its word mark, and the internet loves to go stupid about logo redesigns always. So, you know what? On that point, let's go through logo redesigns. Not only tech, but we will start with tech stuff.
All right, sure.
As you can see, I have prepared stuff here and a tier list for you, internet people, because that's what's up right now, and has been for the last 10 years now. So we'll start with this, and we know where this is going.
This is going right here.
There you go.
This is the worst decision of all fucking time. And to this day, it still makes me angry.
Yeah, I mean, we know how stupid this is because people still call it Twitter, or
we still call it Twitter, or it's X, formerly known as Twitter. Why the hell would you change the most recognizable brand in the world?
Because X is so cool, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna post my X videos to X. Like, no, think about it. Like, what was he thinking? I love Elon's ingenuity and stuff. He is a person that's a little questionable. This was not it.
No, it very much wasn't.
Retweet? Nah, bro, repost.
Rex,
yeah.
Rex.
Anyway.
All right, moving swiftly on. eBay.
eBay got a redesign?
Yeah, remember?
Oh, whoa! That's a blast from the past.
I know, right?
So, no,
I think it's one that makes sense.
I think it's like that for me.
Yeah.
There's so much personality there.
It is a lot of personality, but that's very goofy.
It is super goofy.
It's super goofy. I can understand why they changed it. 100%.
But
yes, I get
that's a
it.
C tier. Yeah.
Yes. All right. I think that's fair. All right. Next one is the big one. So
the thing is, we've now reached a point where this logo has been used longer than this logo was.
Yeah.
So I feel like most people recognize this logo. That being said, so much more personality on that one. So I'm gonna probably put it like somewhere between D and E.
Okay, sure.
I think.
Yeah.
Right, because this looks like a dinner plate.
Well,
I don't know. Table, that's a plate, that's your drink.
Oh, I see, like a top-down view sort of thing. Yeah, it doesn't look like a Polaroid camera anymore. There's a lot of... I didn't do all like the flat design changes. This is a big change.
That was a massive
going from
change.
Skeuomorphic, a real Polaroid camera.
This was the same to update where they changed the logo and added stories, and everyone was like, they're copying Snapchat.
Oh, yeah.
Same update.
And now no one cares.
I know no one cares. People use that more than Snapchat.
This is the big...
Google. See, I actually quite like Google's new branding.
I like the new branding.
Yeah, I would probably put it somewhere between probably a B.
Yeah. I really like the old logo. I'm a sucker for the sort of 90s serif logo look. But the new one, you know what? It's good. And we've had it for more than 10 years now. So, whoops.
Jeez, it's been that long already.
Yep. Yeah. All right, next up.
Microsoft.
Oops.
Hey, we lost it. I actually prefer their newer logo, to be honest with you, but I just hate Microsoft, so it automatically goes there.
Okay, you're just putting an F tier out of hatred of Microsoft.
Yeah, hatred of Microsoft.
Okay, well, I guess I don't have any control here, so... I have a big nostalgia for the old logo, so I like that.
The 95 logo is cool. It reminds me of like an old, old TV. Anyway, what's next?
Next is one that I didn't know happened.
What is this?
Yeah, what the
fuck? What? No, it looks like garbage. No, that's right down to F.
Honestly, that is straight to F. I don't know what...
To F. What are you thinking?
Nokia changing their logo
doesn't even look
crazy.
It barely looks like an N. That looks like an upside down V. Like, what?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Like, Nokia, makes no sense.
Nokia isn't really Nokia anymore.
Yeah.
Like, there's a company called HMD that makes their phones now, so I don't know what's going on with them, but yeah. All right.
Windows.
So this is from Windows 7 to Windows 8. D. You know what? I think that's fine. We did. This is where I feel the big like personality to non-personality.
Yeah, it's fine.
So this is a big
50
one.
seconds.
I don't know if you know this one. OpenAI changed the logo.
Can I copy your homework? Sure, just change it a little. It looks the same. What changed?
I can assure you, the font is different.
The O changed.
Quick. F tier.
Yeah.
And on the same note, Japan changed their flag in 1999.
E tier. I like that red better.
True. And we're Sydney siders, so.
Oh, City Rail. I think
City Rail is iconic. You like Sydney trains?
Sydney Transport.
Whoa,
I prefer
you
Sydney
prefer
Transport.
that to Sydney
This
Rail?
looks like what would happen if someone was on LSD.
Now, you moved to Sydney last year. You're going to get banished for this.
Am I going to
You're
get
actually
banished?
going
No,
to get like
R/Sydney's
GTA
gonna
5 where
come
you're not
after
allowed
me.
to be in this area anymore.
I think the whole thing was S tier though.